What's the story?
It's been a really long time.
How long?
Since 4.5 years since I've got my hair cut. I know it looks okay, but that's because I've been cutting it myself since COVID. I had a girl in my area that I went to once, and she didn't really do whatever I asked. Like, you know, I had asked her to kind of shape it. She just cut it all one length.
Oh.
She did curly hair, so I don't know, but she just she didn't really shape it.
Sounds like she says that she did and doesn't know what to do with it, so therefore just cut it straight across.
Yeah. It's been a long time since I've like straightened my hair or done anything like that. I've really focused on my curls since I was like 24 or something. So I do the Curlsmith products.
Okay.
I use those for shampoo and conditioner. And then I have InnerSense products for just my like regular.
For the styling.
Stuff. Yeah, I do like the styling foam.
Okay.
And then, or the volumizing foam.
I love that one.
And a little bit of the gel. I tend not to use too much gel, but a little bit.
I mean, I love those. You know, I love InnerSense.
Yeah.
What makes you not use the InnerSense shampoo conditioner?
I've been trying to switch over,
Okay.
and I have a bunch of Curlsmith left, so I'm just trying to use it.
It works out because we're going to get to style you up today.
Cool.
So Melissa's going to use the InnerSense shampoo and conditioner, and it is a different kind of product.
Yeah.
So she's going to show you how to use it too.
Okay.
A lot of people will get a hold of it and be like, I don't know. It's how you use it just as much as what you're using. So we'll go over that too.
Okay, sounds good.
What's disappointing you about your hair? Like, what's disappointing you about your hair? Like, what's making you come see me at all?
It's mostly all one length right now, which is fine.
From that one last cut.
Yeah,
4
and
years
then
ago.
add that like I've been trimming it myself because I don't want it. I don't like when there's so many dead ends. I just need it to be shaped.
Okay.
And I would love some like
Shapes, like face framing?
Yeah, and then I'm fine with like cutting it pretty short if you'd like. You know everything about this, so I'm like,
let me
you
ask,
do
just
it.
so I can kind of fill you out a little bit.
Yeah.
When you give me that much room to cut, I'm all for it if that's how you want to leave. If it's like, I want shorter haircut, then we're going to do that.
Yeah.
But if a lot of people go, you can cut short whatever because they think that if I do this, their hair's going to bing, it's going to bounce way up and they're going to get like a different head of curl, which is rarely the case.
Yeah.
If you knew for sure that your hair wasn't going to spring factor and coil up that much more because we went short, would you rather be longer?
No.
Not necessarily. Okay.
I wouldn't mind.
You're just kind of open for change.
Yeah, I don't mind. It's just been so long. I'm just like, make it look nice.
Sleep with it wet?
No.
Putting any straight up oils in it?
No.
Not straightening it?
No. I only diffuse it if I
love
need
the
to.
diffuser. I love an air dry. I could go either way. Oh, it's going to be fun. You're giving me all the room. Great hair.
I don't mind. I'm excited.
Yeah,
it's
me
been
too.
so long.
Yeah, 4 years. We get accused a lot of like, oh, you just chop hair off. We don't record all of like my recurring clients have been with me for sometimes, but the new ones are the really fun ones to watch, right?
Of course.
So you haven't had a cut in 4 years.
Yeah.
That's a long time to have ends on it. Like you said, you've been dusting on it, but when I'm going through here, I'm feeling the and it's like, I'd rather you not. But that just tells me that hair is a little too old.
Yeah, for
super
sure.
normal. Also from this view here, it's a little on the stringy side.
For sure.
Right? So you got like a fullness going on. And then from you're nice and full in here.
Yeah.
And then right about there, it loosens up. And that's a fair amount of length. It's probably about from here to here. But again, you're not worried about it. So if you're in that state of mind, you're like, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
It gives me an opportunity to kind of do you a favor so that you can actually start growing in. And if you want to be long, you'll be long, but you won't be stringy or dry.
For sure, yeah.
So that's the idea.
And that's what I would love to fix. Because I was like, I know that's probably what it looks like.
Yeah.
I just can't see the back, so.
Well, just so you know why I'm taking advantage of the freedom that you're giving me.
For sure.